Greeting everyone and welcome to the Arbiter. I'm Priya Kovac. As usual, we are covering the latest developments across the world. Kalshi is taking a bold step by providing avenues for bets on clinical trials, showcasing its dedication to innovation. Riot's strategic shift from Bitcoin to AI data centers underscores the ongoing evolution in technology and investment landscapes.
Kalshi is expanding its platform to offer wagers on clinical trial outcomes and FDA regulatory decisions, marking a notable broadening of event-driven markets and signaling greater coverage of pharmaceutical regulatory events. This expansion arrives as U.S. regulators tighten oversight of cross-domain prediction markets and crypto derivatives, with the CFTC and interagency coordination signaling stricter listings and enforcement, driving governance and integrity considerations for Kalshi and peers. It underscores how regulation and governance shape the formation, pricing, and settlement of probability signals in cross-domain markets, with AI-enabled tooling and crypto rails anchoring credibility to evidence-based pricing amid ongoing policy shifts.
As we proceed, the impact of diverse market strategies after the recent entry into clinical trial wagering is significant. Next, we turn our attention to Riot Platform's significant transition from cryptocurrency mining to establishing AI data center infrastructure.
Riot Platforms announced it is pivoting from Bitcoin mining to AI data center infrastructure, starting with the Rockdale site and a first data center lease with AMD for 25 megawatts, with potential to scale to 200 megawatts. This shift positions Riot to amass about 1.7 gigawatts of contracted capacity across Rockdale and Corsicana, with Rockdale interconnection capacity near 700 megawatts. The move underscores a broader industry pivot toward AI hosting, signaling rising demand for large-scale compute while emphasizing the importance of grid interconnection and regulatory context.
We move from this coverage while we continue to monitor the situation for more material. As oil prices rise, new studies show how closely they are linked to Bitcoin's recent and notable price changes.
Oil shocks in 2026, as analyzed by JP Morgan Asset Management, have coincided with higher short-term Bitcoin volatility, illustrating how crude price moves can tighten Bitcoin's risk environment in the near term. AI trading coverage notes that oil-driven volatility can cause model drift. Firms seek lower latency and real-time semantic data processing with cross-asset hedging and rising use of exotic options to manage risk. This dynamic means oil price dynamics matter for macro volatility and Bitcoin's risk environment, with regime shifts in market sentiment identified as the strongest actionable signal rather than deterministic causality for traders and policymakers.
As we transition, it's crucial to understand how oil prices are reshaping financial markets and their broader impacts. Looking ahead, the legal landscape around gambling is changing, particularly with recent developments in Utah's approach to regulation.
A federal judge in Utah allowed the state to enforce its anti-gambling laws against Kalshi and similar prediction market platforms, reinforcing state regulatory reach over betting-like markets and underscoring ongoing jurisdictional tensions with federal oversight. This outcome contributes to heightened regulatory scrutiny of Kalshi and Polymarket, prompting broader moves toward transparency and governance, including guardrails to curb insider trading and increased market surveillance expectations for market integrity. This event signals a broader shift where prediction market activity aligns with stricter compliance regimes, shaping how crypto-linked price discovery evolves under greater oversight and encouraging durable governance practices across platforms.
With the recent ruling affirming Utah's anti-gambling laws, the landscape for prediction markets has shifted significantly and faces fresh challenges. As we pivot to clue markets, we'll explore their innovative market mechanics, transforming predictions into accessible trading opportunities.
Clue Markets releases documentation detailing how prediction markets use automated market maker structures to enable liquidity, price discovery, and event resolution, while outlining market rules, settlement logic, and token mechanics. By clarifying liquidity pools and resolution workflows, the resource supports interpreting implicit probabilities over fixed prices, potentially stabilizing trading activity, and improving transparency in how events are settled within prediction markets. This emphasis on mechanism-level clarity signals a shift toward evidence-led, audit-ready prediction markets in crypto ecosystems, reinforcing governance debates and highlighting role of robust market design in uncertainty-driven trading.
This concludes our coverage for today. We thank you for being with us and following the latest development of our stories. We invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fishstock Network, and to follow us on X at Fishstock Media to join our community. From all of us at The Arbiter, thank you for being with us today, and we'll see you next time.